कैलाश
Guys, it's a request when you're taking pictures, even the cameraman, please avoid using the flashlight because it will scare the puppies and the kittens. Please avoid using your flashlight. Thank you.
Shy now. He's like ugly dog. Both. Doesn't really reply. Respond. Nice.
आजा
He's very clear. He's the guy who came to the clinic. The rat bite wala. You told me he's gonna die. He was
तो मेरे को तो भाई प्लीज
his hand is
वो है
proper.
मुझे उसका हाथ
His hand was like this.
जिम में से करना
And then, can you tell the difference? He's telling me he's gonna die. He's gonna die.
दिल्ली थोड़ी
फ्लैश करने को नाम होता है
लाइट कर सकते हैं फ्लैश
ना? है ही नहीं मेरे पास।
लाइट तो करता है
अरे मेरे पास है ही नहीं भाई।